Hi guys, so let's make some yummy goat meat stew. Yeah, so we're gonna divert today. So let's divert to goat meat. You've been eating chicken. So tired of chicken in my stew. So let's make some yummy stew. Yeah, so we're blending my tomatoes, blend my onions. So I'm about to add the cut the fish. Yeah, I cut everything with my Chinese butcher knife. So here's the fish. I'll start by cooking my goat meat. Mixed everything with all the spices. So I cook it with the fish, but I later add the fish later. So yeah, so I don't want it to pieces because I have to fry it. So yeah, never tara yeah. Ozi every madu. Belly. So this me frying the fish. Yeah. So going with my onion. So this is my pressure cooker. I cook the meat. I try to, let it cool down. So I go in with my tin tomatoes to fry. So I fried everything before I added the cooked fresh tomato because I cooked it. So I put in with my go in with my blended tomatoes to, yeah, start cooking. Look at that. This stew is very yummy, guys. When you taste it, you're like, oh my god. So I came back after some minutes to check on it. It's bubbling, as you can see. Yeah. So it's going with my spices. Yeah, these are the spices I used. So I came back again after some minutes to pour in my meat stock. See that? So this my goat meat I go in with. So I added some of my fried fish. Yeah. So this is my rice cooking by the other side. Yeah. So the stew is done. Let's taste our creation. Look at that. Very yummy. Come and join me, guys. Let's taste. So this stew was very nice. So I have beans so to eat with it, but the beans is already cooked. I put in the microwave to get warm. So yeah, I'm trying to test what I cooked on the camera to show you guys. It was very yummy. Join me, guys. Alright, bye. See you guys next time. Let me enjoy my food, my yummy rice.